Okay, first thing, if you hear dogs barking in the background, I apologize. I'm going to make this lesson very quick. There's people here working on my house, so the dogs are going crazy. Just a very quick extension on yesterday's lesson. I'm not going to do the hardest part of this lesson today. I'm either going to do that tomorrow or Monday. So today, it's just like being in class, you know what I mean? Just constantly interrupted and everybody being loud. Kidding. All we're going to do today is move one step further and find the mean, or in this case, it's called the expected value. So you might see on worksheets or whatever, worksheets, you might see something that looks like this. That just means the expected value, but we're also going to denote it with the mu symbol, which means the mean. So in this problem, it's saying that a company found that a carton of transistors, 92 contained no defective transistors. So they're telling us how many are defective. So I'm going to start with 0. 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So 92 contain no defectives. I'm going to go 0.92. 3% contain 1. So one of them has a rate of 3%. 2 of them contain a 3% rate. Oh my gosh. And then 3 are at 2%. So 0.02. So in order to find the average, what you're going to do is you're going to say, okay, 0 of them. So 92% of them will not have a defect. So 0.92 times 0 plus 0.03 times 1 plus 0.03 times 2 plus 0.02 times 3. So all you're doing is you're taking the values that match up, you're multiplying them together, and then you are adding them together. If you remember earlier in the year, we did something similar. We used the sigma symbol and found the summation of all of these products. So if I add up all of this, it's 0.15. So essentially what this is saying is that, oh God, hold on, because now these people are at my house. Essentially what it's saying is that 15% of them are going to be defective. God, why? I want to go back to school. 15% of them will be defective. Here is another one. I'll do just one more. So this is saying that the number of suits sold per day at Suit World, very probably high-end store, Suit World, is this. So they want us to find the average or the expected value of how many suits would be sold on any given day. So this might be like, I don't know, days of the week or whatever. There's a 20% chance that 19 will be sold, a 20% chance 20 will be sold. So wherever they got this data from, this is how they broke it down. So all you're going to do is add up all of these products. So 19 times 0.2 plus 20 times 0.2 plus 21 times 0.3 plus 22 times 0.2 plus 23 times 0.1. and you get 20.8. So this is the exact expected value. Since we are talking about suits, if you were having a conversation with the manager of the suit world, you would say on average you sell 21 suits per day. But it's okay that the expected value is a decimal. This happens a lot with like the census. I'm sure you guys have been hearing on TV about, fill out the census forms. You'll see in the census, like when all that information comes back, it's going to say the average family has like 2.3 children. That's obviously not a real number of people, but that's what the expected value is in the household, is 2.3. So it's okay to have a decimal. Again, if you're talking about it in a real world context, you would say we sell about an average of 21 suits, but in this case, I'm going to leave it at 20.8. So that's all I'm going to do today. Tomorrow or Monday, like I said, we do have to do these formulas, which get a little bit crazy, especially if you don't have a graphing calculator. So I'm trying to find a way to make that easy for us right now. Other than that, there's going to be a quizzes that I assign with this. That quizzes is going to be with these few problems that I just explained to you, and then just a review of stuff from yesterday. If you guys have questions, let me know.